Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ke National People's Party haka santarik ubnai risau arhajar arpuway kala pediang buram bat penbenaru yo MDC jang ke Mawphlang ding ye Constituency uba Lamphrang bela ban mi madan kumu Kyrteng jang ke parti ne ka benta ban Ïakhun ye ka election Kyrteng samoi na Mawphlang Constituency ka ban salong haka laipo tarik ubnai risau arhajar arpuway. Hagani ke jingelang pediang buram yo uba Lamphrang bela la sakilang ru da national president ke parti u Konrad Kongkel Sangma u state president u Dr. WR Kharluki ki MLA jong ke parti ki bekentum yo uba Preston Tensong uba Snyabhalang Dhar uba Macmillan Bersan uba Jigur Murthong lembat ki MDC ke parti bat kentup ru ki nongelam jong ke NPP youth wing bat ki pai ba nong Kershan. Hagani ke jingelang ke balalong hamadan syat Mawphlang leidon langru arngut ki Kyrteng ki ba aireng ya ki election MDC arajar khat khandai na Mawphlang Constituency ki bakintum yo General Secretary jong ke Seng People's Democratic Front uba auspicious lingdo baru Kyrteng jong ke HSPDP uba Kester Warjri.
Kanuga loga jimen ba ngayo ni kasi bamata padahal pada day MDC juga Mawphlang dinye la Southern, but kalian ni MDC habon ki beta berkata mereka ngaye balong syakri pada yang kemudian tunggu jintem ya bi baru hasil balong MDC ada menteri juga kima Mawphlang ngelayo absen Menteri apa ni contohnya, para menteri lah, gua berkajok sekarang siapri, kebahamalur, para aji siapri ya, Mawphlang di Constituency, nggak terwajib pada pada yang ya, para lo berdio berlom, UMDC lah Southern, but haji jat siapri juga, nggak gua boleh sibuk je. Amadan buun ki mo jinakam haka Constituency High Constituency baret jo Mawphlang diye tem rai apne kijian jadi jonga ngasiam ka chchi sisa ko MDC banag si sefi ye phi ki pai ba bi jo dika Constituency hoi na por chapor man bot ka lisa beli kijian ki jemput soya pada lek kemudian dari ngasok kapur kapat ibah yang dari mentah hari hati bangta kelar tik jaga bandesi mentah hari ke action sistem saboy hon niyo action sistem saboy di mana jikhat kendit kejong wemeli jongi baes keson lakano parong sini ke parti ada nomor ba ngangur ai siapa yang kama ipai ba nomor ket ba ada konstitusi dalam kedong ba ada yang tahu jonga ban pet ba nosos to borok de ban yo ki proyek ko ni long kita dijaga ada ko MDC ngaso ba omla ban wala ekta ki jingla wala persen ba le ya ba batam kat ba ngala ndre kata kapat aji mo dengar awalnya hai kendong disert ko tosi yo ya aji khat ka ba pasyo nga ya ba ni ka or ka ba muta wala ni ka ba election ada aji pasyo nga ka ba na kwa ban age ki siakri ka ba khamba ni pai ba ka ba ko be si sitom sia ni oke ko be ni khamba ba aji siakri ba le ba ba kidon ki jingi jwa Barang ada proses lima, barang ada kondisi, kaya bagun ba, ki kam balik antar konstitusi. Te kali kala ketika agak kia ba lebar dergam ba ketiu. Tidak ada beri jangan roh dari tahu yang nanti. Dari manusia belum beli kahon, ada dapat kongres dari gacha. Hawan minum nak barang kuat berapa dia kini tiket hari parti nomor Kiwai berada di parti yang nur karena Secretary dengar boleh kerja ada Secretary dari ngapai Secretary Party NPP abang kami National Party Jodoh National Party pada soba alador ke National Congress pada kapol ya ada sosorong bani iba ke party National Party ke National People's Party kami nak jalan sungai ke National Party dan kan berpenhan yang ada parti, kalau koi parti, kapan pamang ba, apa ini, nak tak tahu, lasur berjoin ke parti, parti bagi parti, pan play galat nanti nga, barang kue beli Henry, kan dia jika menurut jangan, kamdei ngamroi ni bagi parti Henry, kadai api, kena kerjaan, bagi jadi konstitusi, bat dia api, kena kalau ni kan, jika menurut jangan ada, pin kena kerjaan, pada jadi konstitusi. Pemai jika saya kalau dia itu kita jadi halu jangan punta, kaget pa,abo nomor kadang ke jika soalnya gitu, play lagi on play kalau TV kalau jangan dan dah kumai pa, amner ni nunu kita, amner kalau percaya nunu dia temu penpat dia dulu, dia tak kau ikut tahu, bahawa banai, kajing syakri, kebakamai konstitusi, dia lepas kali parti, bagi ini kita bawa, dalam ajak. Kemudian jadi parti orang yang jika men bawa cuma kijinglah hari konstitusi beraja lagi.
Hak tu kapor bingi keren na po assembly. Don ki porlok assembly ki baong. Ninglay keren hadu kata ngilya burom do kata balay bagi pendian sundon nayi. Kata kadai jingkli. Ngasukwa ban ong ya pitang kawi. Ke Constitution juga India kamsya bagin lek kumta. Hak kitab juga Constitution juga India. Kam ong ba direct naye. Henry nga ong pi ka Constitution juga India ka ong takat ni. Jet yaw breu uba pi ba udon kasap kapong. Dia kata, layak ren gilu ramba mana baru. I menteri belak bat nganyi job MDC nengkong ha u arhajar saw. Bat ila bat bon ki pos hapok hasil satu nombor street council. Bat ngalayo ilut ia kejinglong kejong u nadu inyukle hadu itersin kejat. Kata dia ke penungkong. Bat kamtip syuk-syuk mapi ki pait ba joka Mawphlang Constituency balai pi penjob sausin yau ni orang ba. Kamtip kambha ka penusla Constituency balai penjob yu prestun sausin. Ki badon kasap bat kaphong. Ha ka sensyar ka kadar ka mata kawin. Kata ka simpati kam juda. Ha bagi ngaulan to ya lek haye hase. Ngaru ma pi ngapa ka jing ngaulan. Dan ka burong ngakren ya kani. Ndai bangawan berkeren politics. Namar teng-teng ki pait ba ki sya lam bakla. Hak kabakum kata kapor. Ni badai ita, ni badai Ïakhun ita, ni ba idai ita, ni ngeulak kier syuk kami. Poisai, umas bau ong medne, ngikwa ban ai promotion. Na kaliang juga parti kejongi, ngapat ngakwa ban atsa kawai. Balagi kwa ban ai promotion na marula don experience. I promotion you bob not experience long himo. Lama ban I promotion you breu bom tip ya kebenan kekendau. Hakakam sorkar rokan maubha. Swaban I promotion. Ki officer ki I certificate. Yagi nong tray. La ibit ne mi de LD bat ke si kayudi. La dembit shua hadu bandapit. Katate. Te menteri bla Southern ula Creators Council yaki post ki baper kan ayu baun job unwan ki no mentahan te assembly nantakan ayu ba unlet wat yaki jingkang jo karoi kapar nang te na post secretariat namar nga ongi piklen experience sebab portan sistem sistem berdosuk tu balikin perleno tambah nuat ya kecing kang sekretariat ngompi henreu benai lalu depan kapor henreu benai lalu depan kelepat yoski mayai henreu benai lalu depan kapor go kina Mawphlang baik kata ngamut ban ong ya pi ini ipor sistem tam ubaduk prestu nupen bor ya pi budget yung menteri lah nama dengan lewat lang mga ya kejingkang hapos sekretariat usiem udon don jing kejingkang usiem gadon kejingkang deputi CM gadon kejingkang Maskau bah gadon tekam persuk ya ni Pigi pajbak mentrai pinsuk lah dengan lek putra. Kaya per na ka PDF, kaya per na ka HSBDP, bat kaya peru na ka Kongres bat ke BJP. Balay nga ya per. Kajing ya per kadai na marba, kane ka parti, mensiam snem, kayo promotion, long national party. Bat kebeneng kong tam ke parti NPP na North Eastern States Brockway banyo Ïakhun national status.
Thank God for Mantri Bla and his supporters who have joined the party here today. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty God for all the blessings that He has given to each and every one of us, especially to the National People's Party and to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Friends, our Deputy Chief Minister was telling you about how the National People's Party has grown. There was a time when the National People's Party only had 2 MLAs. 2 MLAs in the whole country. And slowly, steadily, within a matter of 8 years, the party today has MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, has ministers in Manipur, has MLAs in Nagaland, and of course, we are heading the government here in Meghalaya. And this has all become possible because people believe in the constitution of this party. People believe in the vision and the goals that this party has. And the National People's Party has always maintained that we will fight for the rights of our people. We will always keep the interests of our people from the Northeast in front. We will always keep the interest of tribal community in front. And people, after seeing these beliefs and this constitution of our party, have supported us throughout the Northeast. And in a record time, the National People's Party has achieved something that no other political party in the whole country could achieve in such a short time, which was to become a national party. But the beauty of National People's Party is this, that we may be a party that is a national party, but our mindset is on the regional importance and on the regional issues of our state and of our region. That is the beauty of this party. If you look at any other national party, like the BSP, their political party is formed by different states in the central part of India. But the National People's Party is a party that is formed purely by the states of the Northeast. Purely. And that is the strength of this party. And that's why today we have our Honorable MDC, Mawphlang, who has also realized that there is no future continuing with the Congress. He has realized that the Congress party is disintegrating throughout the country. He has realized that today the Congress party, even at the national level, only has a temporary president. Even after 3 years, they were not able to elect a leader. If the leadership is not there, who will make the party grow? And that is why today, Congress is disintegrating. There is no use being in a sinking ship. And that's why we are very happy and welcome Mawphlang and the entire supporters and leaders who have worked term after term for him to make him MDC again and again. And I would like to once again take this opportunity to welcome Mawphlang and all his supporters to the National People's Party. And I can assure you that together we will work, we will win this election, we will move forward this constituency, and together we will take our state forward. We have made sure that we maintain the law and order situation by taking our people into confidence, by taking the community and society into confidence. And that is how we would like to move forward, but maintain our firmness in terms of the law and order situation. When it came to development aspects, if you look in the last 3.5 years, the amount of schemes, the number of roads, the number of schools, the number of colleges that this government has built cannot be matched by anybody. Our Deputy Chief Minister must have shared with you the number of kilometers of roads and the amount that has been spent when it came to PWD. Under his leadership, the department has performed excellently, with the maximum number of roads being sanctioned and completed in the last 3.5 years. It was this government that started the program for benefit and welfare of the farmers. No other government has given so much importance to farmers as this government has given. It is this government that has pushed entrepreneurs and allowed our youth to start different businesses. No other government has given the push to entrepreneurship and to small businesses and to the youth like we have. It is this government that has come out with a youth policy, come out with a sports policy, come out with the education policy, come out with the PPP policy, come out with the act which makes it mandatory to give public service within a specific time. These are all the achievements of this government. But yesterday, we had a very disturbing situation where there were challenges that were thrown to the NPP. I wonder why such a timing. That one day before Mr. Pynbna is supposed to join, somebody comes out with a statement like this. Are they scared? Are they scared that NPP is growing from strength to strength? Let me tell you, after the power from above, the power that God has, second to that is only the power and will of the people. There is no other strength that is more powerful than the democracy. There is no other strength that's more powerful than the power of the people. So please don't put these kind of challenges. I want to tell the people of NPP, all the supporters of NPP, be strong. We are here to fight for our people. We are here to ensure that we take our state forward. We should not be bowed down by these simple challenges that are thrown at us. I can assure you that we are all with you. Our entire cabinet, entire party leaders, myself as the party president and the chief minister, we are here. We will take whatever steps are necessary to ensure that we take care of the situation. So therefore, there's nothing to fear, and I urge each and every one of you to come out confidently, work freely, support our candidate, and make sure that in this coming election, which is going to take place on 30th, and results will be out on 2nd, we should come out with flying colors. And now, he wants to do more. He wants to take the work that he's been doing to a new level. And as was being mentioned by our candidate of MDC from HSPDP, these kind of programs and these kind of ideas cannot be planned by us. It's a planning from above. It is meant to be that this particular situation came up. Pynbna was keen to contest. The other party leaders from different parties were keen to support. And somehow, everybody from different directions all came together and have joined the NPP and are going to support. This means that there is already a plan from above. And I strongly believe it. I strongly believe it. Sometimes it's not possible as human beings to plan such complicated operations, such complicated programs. But what has happened today, where we have people from HSPDP, we have people from Congress, we have people from different political parties and from NPP all coming together today to support Pynbna. There must be some quality in this man which has pulled all of us together. And today we are all here to support him and take it forward. I will be here to campaign for him in whatever capacity that he feels is appropriate, so that we can add more and more support to him and see that on the 2nd of November, he comes out with flying colors.
Tawa yung nadon na Congress mta la Slemba na DMDC na Sautem tehot bong mene marba ngawan nakam kum sakri ba ngalong menteri ke Mawphlang absent snem ngalong MDC jong ka Mawphlang ni betala running prasnam tenai banyak klik sudah ke konstitusi ngai iba sibun ki jinor kam iba upai ba jo konstitusi dan kam tam ma dengan development mo ko kiliang te hata ka jing ma ajip sa jonga tengah so ngepek ba nakwa benyo kala ti ban kiu ka dan ko memeli mar ko MDC te kadai tang ti rustor ba indon ka jirap bai ba bat se ngai idan ke jingta mar ti ni ka konstitusi ba kam tam ni betai lang ba ka nu parti belam ya jalla te hon lami parti kongres barapai abami po national party ngai po national party ba sokben ba ngai kan PP ka national party ba dang supli sen ka office po Delhi po jilam jong chief minister ko national president but po jilam jing isa president ko national vice president ter kan ji senia ki party workers khamtam kino ilam du ki male minister mo te ba iba ani party system nang ka bit biang apa deng ki jing penwet babun ndai kari party ki skam ni lam ya ka jela bro we te ngaru la apa i ke ka mensim ka jing la de jing do ilam kala pelong yaru ka khring yaru mo barape ya ya ka roi pa development khamtam ba ngaru nga chep ji ba ba yal tin ni stay bun mutin bari session ni boleh ki bun ki break ki do le kam jam jukin ma ka jing membiang kal di skin ni stay tenai bro mene da we da ki para we join lang mo anti party ni kamu bahabat kala war chu jing ni we pha chani party te kumta na semba kini jing anu jaru ka pej ba tang ni party di kalat dinga ban kiu sata es bakka jing anu te tak daw klub lu ya ba ino kongres ban join ke PP ba don jikir ban ba jite lang ban ki ngaron ka jisne leader na tak daw ka pinsur nga ba ngantai ban ngantai lang ngan mi ko ni nak party bat bar ngaget ba la lokum no dei kini ngelam ju party kini mino ya ho nya don kongres nga la don bro chata tenrei lepas Desember don ka ba ka Jimbombe nomor ba kabai de yo arja khatra kabai ba lapang ilong u president party ndai lawing ngaru ade kumlong nganu bong mala de senior member jo party kongres don kata te ngadu barong ba ni Mawphlang ko siru dei ma jingjau junga kum UMDC kelaklan ki party kongres ni Mawphlang tenrei kubong ne ho arja khatra hapo kan nyau chua election arja khatra ti balapang long presiden dei mai di parti balarat ba ba jong ka ngelam barat ba jong parti kongres dari la siwing sendat kum presiden te kala perlengok parti pensiyong nganya ya nga but iru la jono seni ke parti NPP te naru jomi kala tik yaru mo dan rei ngelaya syak but ladon ka lawara presiden di presiden bismillah laba di alam parti ko mo biang bat kalon ka ni na jongi na simkiar kumu unok cekam po ka parti kongres bat legat ki MDC yemeli ilai prejuban na support ban wara presiden mo biang thap thai parti to po man ba daun po kongres ndrei kai ba ya pembet di kawan pat Delhi na kuwi pat karai ti kani kala pan andrabi ta karai lawan hoi ba pala kumu presiden ndrei la i ba jiki jo CLP leader mo lapan ngi jo bokka jing bombet biang ka parti te tak daw ba kani ke port mo biang bat kam tam dei nga don ki sukya ya ka konsosi bat ngau ba di ka kabu di ka election system semoi ba yo ban sibenta ku meli ku kandidat na ka di ka parti PP ko siya thong emap simla pan tiket kongres nomor ba bat abang pek bong ba hol daga pan di tiket kongres tila daga job resi kita ki anu jonga kim mamla long tiap hai nomor dari sisin barai ban mi madan kumu ketong mili pek anu parti ba lawan penurlong kita ki anu kam tam mili kita ka konstitusi ba kam tam mo ka jela bro